Here is a medial triangle. As you can see, there is a big triangle and a small triangle. The big triangle is DEF, while the small triangle is CAB. This is what makes up a triangle. Here's our medial triangle. As you can see, there is a large triangle and there is a small triangle. Our large triangle is DEF, while our small one is CAB. As you can see, this represents what a medial triangle is. We can see clearly now is that the vertexes of CAB fall directly in the midpoints of the large triangle segments, illustrating that it is a medial triangle. All of the corresponding, as we look at this triangle more closely, we see that it is made up of 4 triangles. As I look at this, I begin to wonder if all the triangles are the same. One way to prove this mathematically is through corresponding angles and sides. So in order to use this, I've used Geometry Sketchpad to help me create and determine the angles of the triangles. So here we have our green triangle, and here are our angles. We have our pink triangle, here's our pink. We have our purple triangle angles, and here's the purple. And we have the blue triangle, and here's the blue triangle angles. Now, as you see, as I move this around, that the angles that are corresponding, like 55.5, is corresponding to the purple 55.5, and this is corresponding there. As you can see, is that they stay the same no matter how large I stretch or how tiny I stretch this. And this concludes that the triangles can be similar in shape and size. Now, my second question I have is that are the distances the same? And if they are corresponding distances, then it will also prove that the 4 triangles within this one large triangle is the same. As I move it around, I can see that the distances are still staying corresponding to each other.